If you're using Spocket and struggling to find winning products, it's not just about picking something that looks cool. The real strategy comes down to choosing products that match Spocket's strengths, fast shipping US and EU suppliers, and high perceived value. Start by focusing on products that solve small everyday problems. Think about things people don't realize they need until they see it, like a space saving kitchen gadget or a sleek desk organizer. These types of products catch attention in scroll stopping ads and lead to impulse buys, especially when they ship fast and feel premium. Next, filter Spocket's catalog to only show US or EU suppliers. This is important. Customers trust local shipping and you'll avoid long delivery times that kill customer satisfaction. Once you narrow that down, look at items priced in the $20 to $50 range. This gives you enough room to mark up while still keeping it affordable for the average shopper. Pay close attention to branding potential too. A product becomes a winner when you can tell a clean, consistent story around it. Look for items with good images and the option to add custom branding or packaging, especially if you're planning to run paid ads. Those details make your store feel more legit. Once you have picked a product, it's as if it's simple video ads that focus on how it solves a problem or fits it into someone's lifestyle. Don't overcomplicate it. Winning with Spocket is about speed, trust, and value, not just what's trending. If this strategy helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more real dropshipping advice, and drop a comment with the niche you're working on. I'll help you find a winning angle.